What if you could create this delicious nutrient-packed meal in under 30 minutes? Would you try it? If you will, then keep on watching. The ingredients for this recipe are palm oil, pepper mix, ground crayfish, hagfish which is commonly known as pala, salt, locust bean which is also known as iro, celosia greens which is also known as shaka, onion, crushed seasoning cubes, cow skin which is also known as pomo, scotch bonnet pepper, and herring fish which is also known as shawa. First up, after cleaning the herring fish, season with a mix of spices and partially cook before adding it to the Efo Riro soup. I prefer to partially cook my herring fish before adding it to the Efo Riro soup because herring fish is delicate and fully cooking it in the soup can cause it to fall apart. One important cooking tip is to always prepare and organize your ingredients before cooking, and this is to ensure that the process of cooking is streamlined. Heat up some palm oil. Add the chopped onions and saute until they become translucent. Then go in with the locust beans. It is important to clean as you cook to keep your workspace organized and reduce post-cooking cleanup. Next, go in with the pepper mix and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens and the oil floats on the top. Speaking about the celosia greens, it is important to blanch them. And blanching is a cooking technique that involves briefly boiling food, usually vegetables, and then quickly cooling it under cold running water. The benefits of blanching include 1. Preserving the color and texture of vegetables. 2. Reducing cooking time. 3. Enhancing flavor, among others. The name Efo Riro translates to stirred vegetable in Yoruba, highlighting the dish's rich blend of greens and flavorful ingredients. Add the cow skin, stir well, and allow this to cook for a few minutes to absorb the flavors. Add the smoked fish, some ground crayfish, crushed seasoning cubes, and give this a good mix. Efo Riro is packed with nutrients from the vegetables and protein, making it a healthy choice rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Add some salt. Now add the blanched celosia greens or shaka to the pot and stir to combine everything well and allow to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. While spinach is the most common green used in Efo Riro, you can also find it made with other leafy vegetables like fluted pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu, or kale, showcasing the versatility of the dish. The technique of using palm oil and blending tomatoes and peppers is common in many West African dishes, showcasing a shared culinary heritage across the region. The practice of using fresh and dried fish in Efo Riro reflects the traditional methods of preserving food in Nigeria, particularly in coastal regions. And finally, gently add the partially cooked fish pieces to the pot. Be careful not to break the fish pieces while stirring. Nigerian diaspora communities around the world have adapted Efo Riro to include local ingredients, leading to creative variations of the dish. Efo Riro is often enjoyed alongside various starches including rice, yam, or fufu, showcasing the fusion of different food cultures in Nigerian meals. And there you have it! Efo Riro is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of flavor, culture, and community in Nigerian cuisine. With its vibrant greens, rich sauces, and diverse protein options, it offers a delicious way to experience the heart of West African cooking. Whether you're enjoying it on a special occasion or as a comforting weeknight meal, Efo Riro is sure to impress with its delightful taste and nutritional benefits. So gather your ingredients, get cooking, and enjoy the delicious journey that Efo Riro has to offer. Please share your own experiences or variations of Efo Riro in the comments below. I would really love to hear how you make this dish your own. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're hearing my voice for the first time, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will know whenever I post new videos. Take care and see you next time.